Good day everyone. Today we will discuss the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple or the lowest common multiple. First, let's have the meaning of LCM. LCM is the smallest multiple that is common to two or more numbers. Since we mentioned here the word multiple, don't be surprised that we need to know our multiplication tables. I have here the two methods on how to get or to find the LCM. First, let's find the LCM using the listing method. In our first example, I have here the question, what is the LCM of 4 and 6? To find the LCM of 4 and 6, we need to list the multiples of 4 and the multiples of 6. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24, while the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, and 24. As you can see, we have here the two common numbers which are the 12 and the 24. So, ang hinahanap natin ay the least common multiple which is 12. So, now, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Sometimes, we will encounter that 3 or more sets of LCM. Again, to find the 3 or more sets of LCM, we need to list the multiples of both numbers and get the smallest number that they are common. For example, find the LCM of 3, 6, and 10. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. While the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. As you can see guys, some numbers in multiples of 6 are in the multiples of 3, which are the 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. But we are not finished because we need to get the multiples of 10. So the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, and 30. So I stopped listing because 30 are the smallest common numbers in the three factors, which in multiples of 3, we have here the 30. In multiples of 6, we have here the 30. And the multiples of 10, we have here the 30. So, in these three sets of LCM, we get the LCM of 3, 6, and 10, which is 30. Next, we will find the LCM using the prime factorization method. But first, let's have some definition of the words that we will mention later. First, we have here the factors. Factors are the numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. Next is the prime numbers. Prime numbers has only two factors. which one and the number itself. For example, I have here the example of prime numbers. Some example of prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Because 1 is can multiply by itself. So we have here only the two factors. And 2 can only multiply by 1. So we have here the 2 and the 1. Next is the composite numbers. Composite numbers has 3 or more factors. Some example of composite number are 4, 8, 10 because they are 3 or more factors that we can be multiplied by not only by itself and not only by 1. So now, let's proceed on how to find the LCM using the prime factorization method. I have here some example. Find the LCM of 16 and 24. To find the LCM of 16 and 24, we need to factor 16 and 24. In factoring number 16, we have here 8 times 2. So 2 is now a prime number. And let's factor again the number 8. So in factoring number 8, we have here the 4 times 2. Again, 2 is now okay the prime numbers, and again, we will factor the number 4, which is 2 times 2. So in here, we have 4 2's. In factoring number 24, we have here the 2 times 12, which is 2 is now a prime number. And we need to factor again the 12, which 6 times 2. Again, 2 is a prime number and 6 is a composite number. So we need to factor again the number 6, which is 2 and 3. Now, 2 and 3 are both prime numbers. So now, we have here in factoring number 16, we have here 2, 2, 2, and 2. While in factoring number 24, we have here the 2, 2, 2, and 3. While in factoring number 24, we have here the 2, 2, 2, and 3. Next, to find the factors of 16 and 24, to find the LCM of 16 and 24, we need to multiply all the factors. We need to multiply all the prime numbers that we factored earlier. So, sa nakikita nyo sa table na to, meron tayong 2, 2, 2, 2 in number 16 and 2, 2, 2, and 3 sa number 24. Makikita nyo, kung meron sa kanila na magkaparehas lang, halimbawa na lang itong first row natin. Meron silang parehas na 2. So, we will consider it as only 1. So, we will bring down 2 and again, multiply by 2. Again, multiply by 2. So, in our last row, we have here the 2 and 3, which is different. So, now we will copy the both prime numbers. which is like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 48. Why 48? Because 2 times 2 is equal to 4, times 2 is equal to 8, times 2 is equal to 16, and times 3 is equal to 48. So, the LCD of 16 and 24 is now 48. And that's all. Thank you.